This might be only me, but I've just recently noticed that on LinkedIn you can use hashtags to search for things and for other kind of things. So let's take a look at it. In the LinkedIn UI, you can search for a hashtag, for example, CI, and then it will show you all kind of posts that were tagged with CI. You can also follow the tag, so you can when you search for a hashtag, you can follow it, and then if you go back to your home page, you will see all these hashtags, and on the left side and the bottom here, these are the recent ones, I guess, that are searched. And here are the following the hashtags that I followed. So there are more that I've already followed. You can also click on Discover More. For me, it's just a blank screen, so it's quite useless. Um, but I'm not really sure what actually does this mean. So does this mean that I have this list here of hashtags that I can easily click through them, or that LinkedIn will pick up the posts that are marked with this, that it has this hashtag, and will show them more often? In any case, I would really love to know what kind of hashtags do you follow, so to understand what kind of things people are interested in. Anyway, it was really strange to me to see that CI, so continuous integration, has so few followers. And maybe there are other hashtags that are used for the same meaning. I thought about continuous integration, but continuous integration 2 has only whatever 800 followers. It's really small compared to, for example, um, somewhere there is DevOps. So DevOps in general, it has like a lot, 600,000 followers. So anyway, let me know what kind of hashtags do you use, and how to use these hashtags. And see you next time.